Hey budgeties, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new, my name's Mo. I'm 28, working on my financial freedom journey where I budget my money, my income, my monthly budget, my debt, as well as make printables and budget planners. So, and if you're returning, hey friend. So in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and go over my, my July student loan debt update. And I'm going in my, trying to make some space, my Mo Budget Less Problems, a budget planner. These are available on paperbymo.com. Y'all, trying to get my setup back together, cause you know. Anywho, so I feel like I didn't do as good as I wanted to do this month, but there's two things that I do my numbers off camera before I show y'all, right? Cause your girl has to be organized. So first things first, if you didn't know, I no longer directly pay my student loans starting since May, which was about a day or two ago. That's how it feels like, how fast life is flying by. But that started in May. So what was I doing with the money? I put the money in a high yield savings account. Well, I recently went to my high yield savings account and checked my numbers and they don't match. And not in the bad way. They don't match in a good way because I have more in my high yield savings account than I do for my documented numbers. So that means that I gotta write down the extra, and it's like $100 and some difference, okay? So your girl is extra trigger happy in stuff and money. So we're gonna go through that. Also, my high yield savings account gains interest. Is not a crazy amount of numbers, like amount of money, but it's money. So I'm gonna document that as well. And that's what we're gonna go over. Okay. So this is the July monthly budget. I think I said 500. I don't think I did that. So what we're gonna do is, I didn't close out July yet because of this. What we're gonna do, so the first paycheck, I did 150. I know that for a fact. I checked. Second paycheck, I did 200. I also know that for a fact. I usually do my paper by Mo income, but July was not the best month. Actually, it was a bad month in total. I really didn't make much money, and the money I did make allowed me to even out and pay my bills. So I'm not going to be budgeting paper by Mo money. I also didn't bring in any YouTube money. So again, if you don't know, when it comes to YouTube and it comes to my website with all the budget planners, I try to put that money towards my student loans because the goal is to pay off this debt while also trying to save. So here's my student loan planner. I made this for myself. No, I do not sell these. I'm trying to answer all the questions. No, I do not sell these. I just made this for myself. I think the year was 2020. Super basic. Printed out some sheets. And yes, I do name every loan. I do not, when I was going in to pay my student loans, I could not see these specific loans anymore because it was consolidated. So what I did was I named the loans before it was consolidated. But when I log in, I don't see all these loans, okay? I only see 2 loans because it's consolidated into 2 different loans, okay? Y'all got me? Subsidized and unsubsidized are the 2 different loans that it's consolidated in. I get these questions every video. So we start off at $107,683.18. So to make sure I am perfectly communicating the difference of what I have, my student loans account, and mind you, I have nil net now, says that I owe $90,981. Last time you and I were together in the last video, I said my remaining was $89,570.38, right? Again, we started in May. So with this $110, like starting in blue, I started putting all of this into my high yield savings account, okay? So I'm just going to document the discrepancies first so we can just be on one accord here. Okay, guys? So 90,000, what did I say? Okay, it says that I own right here $90,981, but not 89, it says 83. I mean, because you guys wanted to switch me over from Great Lakes to Nelnet, you want to give me 6 cents, I'll take it. I will take it. Yes. Also, really quick before I really get into this, I saw on my Nelnet account, although payments start back in October, interest starts back in September. That literally is next month. So y'all be on your P's and Q's. I'm thinking that means that I'm gonna dump all this money to them in September because I don't like the interest thing. Okay, so this is where we start. So I'm gonna show you what how much I've, according to this document, have paid to my high yield savings account. So we have 110 plus $500 plus 150 plus 150 plus $11.61, and I just split it like that so I could close out that Winnie the Pooh. And then we came into Kung Fu Panda and movie plus $489.90. This means since May I've paid $1,411.51. Okay, that's how much we're saying I paid. That is not how much is in my high yield savings account. The difference with this number and before we even add the July, so the difference of what we're saying from May to June. Dang, I paid this from May to June. Y'all, I was on a roll. But like I said, any Paper by Mo money, extra outside of the bills from YouTube and paperbymo.com goes to this. So again, I really appreciate you guys' support. I appreciate you for watching this video. And by the way, make sure you, if you haven't already, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe and watch some more videos. The more videos you watch, the more money goes towards my student loans. Yay. Okay, so it was $1411.51. That's what this says. The discrepancy here is, let's show you, $116, and I actually don't even know. I think it's 87 cents. Dot 87. So 1528.38. Made me make sure I did that right. So it should have been 1411.51. Okay, I think. And then 116.87. So what I'm gonna do, that means that somewhere, somehow, your girl had some extra money and she put another $116 towards the account. I don't know where it came from, God, because I don't know. Okay, so let's see the colors. What colors do we want to do? We've done pink, we've done the dark green, we've done black. I don't know, like, is this gonna take? That's a light pink. It's not that hard. What, Mo, come on, girl, do what you gotta do. Okay, let's try this. Oh no, wait, let's try this one. Okay, we're gonna go with the orange-ish looking color. And Winnie the Pooh's paid, boom. So we have Kung Fu Panda, and I'm gonna go ahead and, I don't know, do 6/31. Is there 31 days in June? I don't think so. So we're just gonna, yes, we should do the same color then. Duh. Ew. We'll keep this for July, and let's see, do the same color. So 630.23. So if this was our starting amount, which was $89,570.38, I'm gonna say it's $116.87. I really hope I'm doing the math right, because I was so confused. It took me a while to try to figure this out, y'all. So let's do that. $89,570.38. Okay, and then we're gonna minus 116.87. That's gonna equal $89,453.51. Okay, $89,453.51. So basically, again, because I'm not putting it into the actual nail nut account, I'm letting it accrue its interest in my high yield savings account. These are the numbers that we're calculating. So yeah. So let's get into, see, I have a gripe with this color because I kind of want to highlight, you know, I can highlight in a different color. So what I want to do is highlight my interest payments. That's what I'm trying to get at. I didn't say it, but I want to highlight my interest payments so we can ensure that they are, you know, we know that they're different. Okay, so from the first check, we're gonna say it was July 7th, the year is 2023. The amount of money is $89,453.51. My payment was $150. So that should be $353. right? Minus 150. JK, because it's 150. Okay, 303. I'm like, what? Yep. See, this is why you got calculators, you guys. Okay, so the remaining balance is $89,303.51. Okay. Then the second paycheck, it was the $200, and so that date is gonna be 7/28/2023. Okay, so now we're at 89. So this is just the amount that we're starting with, right? So $89,303.51. I paid, what did I say? $200. Okay. So we're gonna subtract 200. And this is how I know it's not right. This is how I know it's not right. But we're just gonna let it ride because what? So it says $89,103.51. $89,103.51. And I'm saying I know it's not right because when I subtract the amount that they say I owe versus the amount that's in that account, which is $1,800, I'm not getting this number. But you know what? We're just gonna keep it moving. So that's where it says I'm at, $89,103.51. I'm getting less than this. I'm getting almost at 88,000, closer to 88. Okay, so now we're gonna get into the interest. And so I'm gonna say 7/31/23. So I didn't do the interest previously, right? When I added the money in back in May and June. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the numbers together so that way you can see the interest as a whole. So and so moving forward, well, it won't be moving forward because I think August will be the last month that I'm gonna use a high yield savings account to pay it, and then, or maybe, I don't know, because we have to start paying student loans back, so I might as well just start paying it back instead of doing the high yield savings account. So I got $6.76 at one point, and then I also got $2.83. So that's $9.59 worth of interest, y'all. Like, what? Who's happy? I am. So let's do, we started off with here, it's gonna be 89,103.51, and then we're gonna subtract that. So we got 89,103.51. So, oh no, I am right. Well, I don't know, who knows? But anyways, this is the total here, $89,093.92. Okay, again, it's in my high yield savings account, which I'm so excited about. I'm so grateful for the interest, which is, I should have been doing this way sooner. Y'all know how much interest I could have been making? Ugh. Okay, I don't know how this is gonna turn out. I'm kind of scared. Oh, see how dark that is? No, we don't like that. Can we do yellow? Let's try yellow. I done already did it pinkish. Okay, so yellow. Not my jam. Actually, in the yellow, it makes the orange look oranger. And so I'm gonna put here, right? So this is gonna stand for interest. Oh, I could have just did it in this blue. Interest, okay? So now that we have the total, which is $89,093.92, what I'm gonna do is add all of this up, see how much we have left on Kung Fu Panda. Kung Fu Panda, I actually never seen it before. Do not judge me, okay? I haven't. It's not really my jam. Okay, $49.90 plus 116.87 plus $150 plus $200 plus $9.59. That's $966. 36 is how much we paid towards Kung Fu Panda, and we're gonna subtract 4,000. So now we owe 3,000. So we're gonna say what, 81. We owe $3,033.64. Okay. I hope I remember that this is an 8 because I usually can't read my handwriting. Okay, so on August 1st, $3,033.64 is how much we owe towards Kung Fu Panda. Listen, for me to just have started this in June, we're making good progress here, okay? That's literally a month ago. Well, yeah, I don't know. Kind of, sort of. Because it is August. But June and then July, so there's that. But to be close, to have paid almost $1,000 towards that $4,000, I'm not disappointed at all. Okay. And I also found out, I've already done my August budget. If you haven't seen it, make sure you guys go check that out. But I found out that I did it wrong. I found out I'm actually going to be getting paid 3 times in August because I get paid on Thursdays. Why am I bringing this up? Because your girl is trying to put like a whole $1,000 or something similar towards student loans moving forward, okay? Or at least for the month of August, put it in that account so she can gain some interest and then throw it to Nelnet because, y'all, I'm scared of the interest that they're going to be charging. Okay, so let's look at our history. We have $107,683.18. This is what my student loans are starting off as. I'm gonna answer questions because I always get them. How many degrees? What school? I'm not telling you guys the schools, but I have 2 degrees. I have a bachelor's and a master's degree. I graduated in 2019, so I've never officially fully been paying the bills, you know, the student loan bill by myself. I've been doing this with you guys, but I graduated in 2019 and then Ms. Rona happened, Ms. Coronavirus. So this is where I'm at. So 107,683.18 started in 2021 paying. If you're wondering why did you wait so long? 1, I had a job that wasn't paying me much. 2, I had a car loan, paid that off. 3, I had $6,000 in credit card bills, paid that off. So those are 2 things that I had to pay off before I decided to start putting money towards my student loans. And yes, okay, so 107,683.18 is what I started. Where we are currently minus $89,093.92. This means that I've paid off, why did I put 8? Okay, $18,589.26 from, so this is about in 2 years. From September 2021 to August, because this is the end of July 2023. 21, 22, 23. Honestly, have I lost my mind? Yeah, you gotta count 23. So 3 years. Yeah, okay. September 21 to September 22 makes 1 year. September 22 to September 23 makes 2 years. Okay, 2 years. Jeez. $18,589.26. I'm gonna write this in my notes because I'm so excited. Okay, $18,589.26 is how much I paid off. And then I'm gonna go ahead and divide this by 2. That means average, or you know, if we want to split it equally, that's about $9,294.63 a year. I'm not mad, especially for someone who we haven't had to pay our student loan debt. Mind you, let's not lie, some of this money did come from my job. They have a student loan payoff program, and so that's what's all in the greens are. Boom, boom, and then the start of Winnie the Pooh. So yes, we're at Kung Fu Panda. So I will say they go in order from least to greatest. Kung Fu Panda's at 4,000. Mickey Mouse is at 55. I think Minnie is another one, 55. Yep. Donald. Okay, listen, there's still a lot. Okay, there's still a lot. As you know, the total is $89,000. So there's still a lot of work to be done. But I'm so grateful for the work I have been doing. And like I said, any Paper by Mo money, any extra money I get from the business, YouTube, and paperbymo.com does go to this. So I am so grateful. I'm grateful for you guys tuning in to watch. I'm grateful for you guys giving me advice, commentary, nice, respectable commentary. Not all commentary is good, but yes, I'm so grateful of this progress. Make sure you check out some other videos. Again, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in another one. Bye.